Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. I just recently got this just yesterday, and so I'm gonna do an open box unboxing for it. I recently picked this up from Best Buy. They had on sale, so I'm really interested because it will possibly replace the gimbal that I use currently. So if you look, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket. So this is the packaging right here. As you can see, it's pretty small. It says right here, Osmo Pocket works on you can download the DJ Mimo app, which I've already done also. Seems to work with Lightning USB-C smartphone cable. So let's get started. Let's open this up and see what we have. I was pretty excited when I saw this product because it's like an all-in-one gimbal. It's not too big and it's not too small. But we shall see how big it actually is once I open this up. Open it with my trusty blade. Another thing right here. Okay, let's see here. We have some words in Chinese. And this just gives you website, online store, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube channel. And this is the warranty for the Osmo Shield, which is warranty information for the Osmo Pocket. So put my knife on the side, my blade on the side, and let's take a look, shall we? Get a closer up look at what we have. I also have my Sherpa 100 that I use now for my power banks, just in case it needs power. So this is the DJI. Ooh, this thing is tiny. I thought it'd be a lot bigger than this. Okay, let's see what we have here first. Oh, this looks like the actual charging case for it. As you can see, you would just, or either a charging case or protective case, sorry. It's not the charging case, a protective case. You plug it here. And it's from the picture here, you would just slide the Osmo Pocket in there. So let's open this up. See what we have. We have a wrist strap. In here we have the trusty blade again. USB-C charging cable. And then we have another USB adapter, USB-C adapter. I think this is the adapter for the oh, this is the adapter for the camera. We'll look into that. And that's for Android. And I think this is the adapter for iPhone, to hook up to your iPhone, which we will. I don't have an iPhone, I have a Note, so we'll do the Android first, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty similar. So there you have it. You have the wrist strap. You have USB-C 2 adapters, iPhone and USB-C. Then you have the case. So let's see if we can put the case in first. From the picture it says put it sideways. Just like that. And there you have it. Pretty sturdy case. Doesn't seem like it's gonna fall out. sturdy. Unpack that. And you have a little bit camera. So let's power it up. Remove the lens. It says here, when using the first time, follow the steps in the DJI Mimo app. This thing is really tiny. Oh, it's pretty cool looking. As you can see, it's no bigger than my thumb camera. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's go ahead and try to follow the steps to the Mimo app. So as you can see here, this is the DJI Mimo app. DJI, sorry, not DJ. There's a picture, it says product tutorial. So now we will okay. That tutorial is very informal. Gave me a lot of information, so let's try this out. Okay, I downloaded the app. Now since I have a note, I'm gonna use this USB-C. Slide this in there. Power this up. Ooh, as you can see, when I powered it up, it's going through some weird screens. So I'm gonna plug this into my phone. It says, allow the app DJI Mimo to access the USB accessory. Hit OK. Hit agree. Next. Oh, I'm gonna have to register. Looks like I have to register. Oh, let me register. I'm gonna pause the screen for 1 second so I enter my registration information, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, it's telling me activation is done. Gives you some information to tap and zoom. It's giving you tutorials basically. Tells you how to start recording, do face tracking. What's gonna be really good is the face tracking. And it's so small too. It's not based like on my other gimbals that I've reviewed. If you look. Okay, let's hit OK. It's done. Auto update. Oh, we need an SD card to auto update, which I do not have right now. So disconnect this. Now I'll remove this right here for the time being. Put this cover back on. Remove the sticker. as you can see here, right now it's pretty much I'm kind of using it to record or look at the actual cover, and it's actually, you can't see it from the camera, but it's actually pretty clear from what I'm seeing. So let's see if we can you can hit its touch screen so you can move it around. You do camera mode, video recording mode, so it's camera, video. Oh, it needs an SD card, so that's what I'm missing. But as you can see, when I move around, you can see that the gimbal actually tries to stabilize and move around also, which is pretty darn cool. Oh, I need an SD card and I do not have one. So there, as you can see, I'm moving around and the gimbal seems stabilized. Pretty cool. And then when you touch screen, you need to actually change the language. I'm not sure why it's in Chinese. So there's a bunch of features in here I need to go through. Settings. Not sure where the language feature is. Do brightness. This brightness screen picture, oh, wide, yeah, different type of pictures. Shows you percent of battery left and everything. That's so cool. So I'll probably record my next unboxing with this just to see what it's like, and then I'll compare it to what I'm using right now, which is a GoPro 7. So it sits pretty well. All we need now is a little stand to hold it up. I think there's some other accessories on their website. So there you have it. This is the Osmo Pocket by DJI. You can pick it up at Best Buy currently, and I'll put that on my website. So please leave any comments and enjoy. Thank you.